This is what fat tire bikes are for. I'm riding my fat tire bike through an abandoned quarry or dump area owned by the municipality of North Cowichan, and I'm looking at all the glacial till that's over here. It's really exciting. I'm seeing it for my father because he's a geologist, and I'm sending the information back to him through quantum threads. The municipality dumps all of its excess material here, but there's still this amazing museum piece of a glacial till here, and one can only imagine the depth which this glacial till goes, and all sorted out by the rushing meltwaters of the vast ice sheet that covered this area between 29,000 and 13,000 years ago. Behind me is the glacial till, and I don't think that the average citizen comprehends the beauty and the wonder of glacial till, that all of this material has been ground up and polished and made into fine sediments that you see behind me that are the building blocks of the soil that we depend on for farming. It's really beautiful. As the son of a geologist, I feel the energy of the earth and appreciate the sheer power and the magnitude of the activity that happened here thousands and thousands of years ago. Look around me, it's just a vast field of gravel, silt, and boulders and water-rounded rocks. Just think about the sheer amount of activity that had to happen in order to round these rocks. This isn't just overnight. These things tumbled and tumbled and tumbled. And then dismounting from my noble fat-tired bike, just going to have a quick look at this one. Look at the lovely feldspar quartz in this granodiorite. So this is a igneous rock, and it would have been chunked off some sort of volcanic pipe that would be coming up through the Earth's crust. But I don't think that mountain is volcanic. It wouldn't be from that mountain. This is from far, far away, carried by the ice sheet. I'm still trying to figure out how it is that the ice sheet moved from a north to south direction. I don't understand that, and I forgot to ask my father while he was still alive. So I'm kind of like a pedant or something like that, a rank amateur in geology. There's a reason why the ice sheet moved from a north to south direction, and I don't know why yet, but I guess I could Google it. Look at this rock, which is probably, well, it's got an iron color in it, so it's probably got some iron, but look at the threading of the some sort of calcite or quartzite that threaded through the cracks. So the rock was made first, and then the fractures in the rock have a liquid water would have precipitated through here, carrying the other material through it, making the final product. You really have a mix of different kinds of rocks here. The strata layers on this one tell me that's probably a sedimentary rock, and then all the dust here and goo and dirt here is probably all sandstone sedimentary from a vast ocean bed that would have been then broken up. But then how is it? It's all mixed up with granite type material, metamorphic type material that's darker. So it's three kinds in one spot. It's all been put through a big mix washer. I bet these are going to be here like for 1,000 years. I doubt that it'll ever break up. Kind of weird when you think about it. This is a really cool place, and it's kind of private because there's a sign that says don't go in here. And over there is the Mount Prevost, which I've been onto the top of. Look at that little moraine there, all pushed up, the gravel. How deep does this gravel go? I don't know. The more things that I learn is the more I realize I don't know. Anyways, it's kind of a beautiful day out here. And kind of think about how if my previous wife hadn't divorced me, I wouldn't be standing here right now enjoying a little solo time out in the woods, that vault campsite or whatever it's called, the woods, in the woods alone feeling, that indescribable German expression for I'm in